Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So for any of you having a rough day, maybe you feel uninspired, just know that I too make messes. I was trying to do this beautiful string pull, and well, it sort of worked, but it sort of didn't. So I just went whoosh, and there you go. And now, just for funsies, I'm going to try something. I'm going to take this crumpled up plastic that I peeled off of another painting, and we're going to do kind of a dip here. I'm going to take this purple paint I have on my plate with a little bit of this turquoisey paint and try to make this into kind of a circle. And let's see what we can do here. All right. This is going to be a different version of the flower thing. And it'll either work or it won't. That's okay. I'm going to readjust my plastic here. I think that one was a little too squished. Okay, I got some brown here that I don't really want to use. I'm going to add more purple to my plate. Okay. This is, you know, when all else fails, improvise and make something amazing or not. We shall see. All right, we're going to get a bit more purple here. And my stepmother, Mary, loves purple. So I think this is nice. I'll make some of these a little bigger. We're going to make a bouquet, guys. Just always remember, there are no rules in art. Cool. Okay. So now, I'm going to take, I got some green here, if I can get it open. Take some green, or a lot of green, you know, a little bit, a lot, and a stick. So I think this video is going to be called When All Else Fails, Just Have Fun. Just go with it, okay? I am not entirely sure what kind of flowers these are. If anyone has any input on that, feel free, chime in. I see. Sometimes you just have to let loose and just have fun with it, you know? Don't always be so serious. I think don't always strive for like complete and utter perfection. Because you never know. You never know what you might accidentally get. And this is a pretty unique piece that I think I wouldn't have otherwise had. I'm going to fix up some of these flowers a little bit, and then I think we're going to call it a day. You wouldn't necessarily be able to see all of the leaves there, so I've got to cover up some of that a little bit. I kind of like the extra splatters there. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. I'm actually super in love with this piece, guys. I don't know about you, but I think it's awesome. All right, close-up. Here we come. So the Floetrol should help this self-level. And I love how it splattered that purple. What would these be called? I want to say hydrangeas, but I could just totally be making that up. I don't even know what that is. I just really like this piece. I'm kind of in love. Well, if anything, I hope this shows you guys that it doesn't always go perfectly. And sometimes you just need to have fun with it. Even if it's 1000% not what you were going for, just have fun with it. Get creative, get inventive, try out new things. I've never tried this plastic. Why not? It was just sitting here on my table. I was like, I think that'll work. And look at that, it did. All right, I will see you guys next time.